All right, let's get straight to the point. You've been thinking about starting your own SaaS business, right? But every time you look into it, you're hit with tech jargon, massive time investments, and costs that make your head spin. Sound familiar? Let me tell you something. Starting your SaaS agency doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, with the right setup, it can be downright simple, and that's where we come in. Our SaaS Agency Acceleration Kit is your shortcut to success. Think of it as your IT department, sales team, and marketing engine rolled into one neat package, minus the overhead. Here's how it works. First, we build your platform, fully branded, your name, your logo, your domain. It's yours top to bottom. No one will ever know you didn't build it from scratch. Next, we set up your entire sales ecosystem, high-converting funnels, automated workflows, email campaigns, you name it, we build it. These aren't cookie-cutter templates. These are proven systems that actually convert leads into paying customers. And then, we help you fill that pipeline. We'll launch targeted ad campaigns to drive leads directly into your CRM. No fishing in an empty pond. We'll bring the fish to you. Now, let's talk about operations. You'll have a CRM so efficient, it feels like having a personal assistant on speed dial. Track your leads, automate follow-ups, and manage everything from one dashboard. It's designed to help you focus on closing deals, not chasing paperwork. We don't stop there. You'll get all the tools you need to run and scale your business. A landing page builder that creates professional, high-converting pages in minutes. A form builder to capture leads effortlessly. Calendar booking tools to keep your schedule organized. Automation workflows to handle repetitive tasks while you focus on strategy. Ad tools, email campaigns, WhatsApp messaging, it's all there ready to go. And here's the kicker, you're not doing this alone. You'll get personalized onboarding, training, and access to a community of entrepreneurs just like you. Need advice? It's there. Need support? Done. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but is it really for me? Let me break it down. If you're a coach, consultant, digital marketer, real estate professional, insurance agent, or freelancer looking to scale, this is for you. This isn't about just starting a business. It's about building a system that works for you, predictable revenue, loyal customers, and the ability to scale without burning yourself out. So if you're ready to take the leap, let's make it happen. Click the link below and let's get started. This is your SaaS agency your way, powered by the systems and tools we'll build together. Let's close this deal and set you up for success.